Okay, so you want to start off at befunky.com and then you click on editor. Then you click on start new. I always just click on one of these photos and then I go to image manager. Then I click search stock images and then you search whatever picture you're trying to look for. So I want to do something Valentine's Day. So then I can just click on any photo. The little blue arrow will appear and then I'm going to click out of it. Then I go over here, click on it, set as my background, and then you can edit the photo if you want. If it's too big, you can do any touch-ups, add graphics if you want to add arrows. You can add like little chat bubbles or anything like that. But usually I just go over to text. I click add text, and then I do whatever I'm doing. So let's say I want to talk about Valentine's Day grams. And then I just adjust the size of the font to however big I want it. You can change the different kinds of fonts too. They have a bunch of different kinds for whatever you're trying to do. Like this one's nice. And then once I'm done, I just go over here to save to my computer. And then you just click up the quality all the way to 100 and then you add save. And then it downloads onto your computer. And then you just turn that into Google Classroom.